Hello everyone and welcome to Jojo's Brick Time. Alright Mum and Dad and Roxy, I'm off to bed. Oh, you're so lucky you got a bed. Yes, I do. Thank you, Lego. Mum. Oh, I know, honey. Oh, we got to all sleep on here. That's alright. I'm looking forward to my sandwich. Oh, Dad, you're always eating. Yep, I love this sandwich. It's so tasty. Oh, I don't like all the crumbs everywhere. I hate being cramped. I know who to call to get us a bedroom. Stephanie's mum and Roxy have called me to get them a bedroom. Jojo, please, I need my own bed. Me too. I don't want to be cramped. Oh, I don't mind this. It's great. We're all cozy. Okay, I'll see what I can do with the plans. Okay, I'm going to get everything ready. Okay, I've decided there will be an extra room for Stephanie and her sister. So this is okay, stand up. I'm just too excited to show you. Alrighty, this is the original house and I'm keeping the swing and there's Mum on the balcony. And I have also used this set in the build because Stephanie likes baking. So I'm going to use that and put it into their kitchen too. Alrighty, let's take a look. I love the look of Stephanie's house and I wanted to keep the swing as I didn't have a swing in my other houses. I kept the bay windows as I loved them and I've used 16 by 16 base plates for the house, so I've changed that. The dining room has stayed the same and I've done the same range hood as it was in the original, but I just added a knob here for the oven because it came in that little Stephanie's bakery set. I've added some little holders there for cups. And now I'm just adding some plates here for some colour and add a little bit of height to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen sink and I've lost the fork. Come on, get back in the sink. We've got a little dishwashing liquid here, some chocolate and a can of whipped cream. Yummy, we'll pop that in there. And here's the little fridge. And I've popped a little jumper plate there because I am putting the mixer in. She loves baking and that's from that little set, so I thought I'll add that. And then I'll hang up the little cups here. And now the little cake stand here that twirls around, and I've got a little chocolate sauce bottle there and that's going in the kitchen. And I've aligned it with the oven. So there's a bit more room to add these stools in. They want to sit down in the middle of the kitchen also. Look at this. Oh, James is here with his sandwich. Yes, Jojo, I'm loving this sandwich. I can't wait for my bedroom. Okay. And look, we have made a big mess in the kitchen from all the cooking we've done. Move along to the entrance hallway and I love these detailed stickers. It just gives the entrance a proper hallway look like you've got in your own house. And here I've popped a window in because that used to be a door. And here is the fireplace. Nice simple fireplace, and I put some trinkets and ornaments on the mantle there. And every fireplace needs a raging fire, so I'll pop these orangey bits of flames in. Need to pop this guard here at the front so all the coal and bits and pieces from the fire don't fall out, and just tiling the front also. There we are. And this lamp is actually from Emma's house. I had a few of them, so I thought I'll use it up. And popping in a nice little flower pot here in the corner for some added colour. Little two-seater couch. I did this one in purple. And this one came with the house. except I'm moving it here to under the staircase. Thought it will fit nicely here. Little coffee table with lots of treats and a yummy looking drink. And we need a little cushion for the bunny. And how can we not have a TV in the lounge room? So the TV's going above the fireplace. Now the little staircase, I really wanted to include a staircase in one of my houses, so I kept it with this one. And the vacuum's going there, and all the details done downstairs. I'm loving it. Just popping in this 1x4 plate because this is the upstairs area and this is the study and bathroom that came with the house. I just tiled it because it didn't have any tiles. So Stephanie's bedroom is actually going to be the parents' bedroom. I have just redone the roof line here. Thought I'd add a few fancy arches in, and the 1x1 plates I put on an angle just to make it look more fancy. So parents' bed. I love this green colour against the magenta. It's just so beautiful. So just simple design, but the colours really pop. And simple table lamp stand, and I've just used a few Technic pieces, and that's like from a lightsaber, that part. Dressing table next, and I've got some drawers here and lots of stuff on the dressing table. She's got makeup, perfume, a ring and a beautiful mirror and a little stool for her. They're gonna love having their own bed. So that used to be Stephanie's bedroom, but I thought the parents should have the balcony. So look at this. Oh my goodness, Jojo, this is amazeballs, and I have the balcony and my own bed. Yep, I can eat my sandwich in bed. Look at this. Party time! Mum and Dad are really enjoying their freedom in their bedroom. Time for Stephanie's and Roxy's bedroom. Same design as the second floor. I've just increased the height here of the wall, and I've added a window there, and she's got a little calendar and all her trinkets and everything are on the wall, and I've put in that little rug as well. I'm obsessed with Dot's tiles at the moment. And this came from the set, so her little dressing table and desk, so I'm popping that there. She has a little cat book, and I think she's been shopping at Nana Nora's surf shop with that little beach bag. And there's her little tennis racket. Just made a little stand here for some extra things in her room. And Stephanie's bed, I've made it on a 6x6 plate now, so she's got a lot larger bed. And I've changed her bed frame a little bit, and I'm putting in these posts here because her sister's gonna have a bed up the top. So it's like a bunk bed. It's a set of double bunk beds. Because I couldn't make another room, I thought they need to share a room, but they can both have a big bed. And I know Stephanie's sister doesn't live with them normally in the show, but my city, my rules. She's living here. Okay, I love this bedroom. I love this big bed. Oh, great. Oh, Jojo, I have my own bed. I don't have to sleep on the swing with my parents anymore. And here's a little bunny Chili. And look, happy families. They're playing Brickopoly with Chili. The girls are just loving their new room. Everyone's so happy they've got their own space finally. Mum and Dad and Roxy aren't sharing the swing anymore. Me and Stephanie, Chili and my cat are just relaxing on the swing, having a good time. Stephanie's house. I loved it, but as with all of these Lego Friends houses, why do they not include a parent's bedroom? So I got to get my bricks out and I got to get creative and try and make a parent's bedroom. I hope I've given you some ideas on how you can renovate your Stephanie's house and give the parents the all-important bedroom. So everyone, Get your bricks out, get building and get creative. See you next time.